Welcome back to Journey to Home Sweet Home. I'm Pearl, and today I am participating in the One Box Challenge hosted by Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and I have decluttered a box of stuff that I'm going to be getting rid of, either throwing out or donating. So I'm going to go through it with you guys and show you guys, and hopefully this will motivate you guys to go through your thing, because you'll have space for the things that you actually need, use, and love. Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing I am getting rid of is this old backpack. It was my youngest daughter's kindergarten backpack, but she's now outgrown this. She has a Pottery Barn backpack now, and it's holding up pretty well. I will do a review on those backpacks at the end of the year, either at the end of the year or the beginning of next year. Okay, but I'm getting rid of this one. Okay. The next thing I'm getting rid of are these this old sheet. It's nice, of course. It's a bright color and everything, and I'm into the bright colors. But it's just not my style anymore. It's a bit faded. We've had this for years now, so we're gonna get rid of this one. Okay, then the next thing I'm getting rid of is this other sheet, and these are fitted sheets, the ones that go over the mattress. This color, my husband had this when we got married, and to be honest with you, I don't like how dark it is. I just kept it over the years because, you know, it was his, and it works. It's good quality and everything. It's just not my style anymore, so I am going to be getting rid of it. Okay, keeping in line with linens, I'm also getting rid of these shams. They're also on the dark side. On the dark side, that sounds like Star Wars. I mean, they also are dark, a little dark for my liking. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be getting rid of, I went through my closet and I found these sandals that I've never worn. They are comfortable though, but if you look at them, they're just not my style, and they were actually handed down to me or given to me as someone else's, and they're okay, but they're just not my style, so I'll be getting rid of these. Okay, the next thing I am getting rid of is this purse. I've had this for years now, but it's not serving me very well. I mainly use this for when I'm going out, but and I don't mind the color. It does go with a lot of my clothing, except when I'm wearing light stuff. So I do need a purse for light stuff. So what I'm looking for is a purse that will go with both my light colored clothing and my dark colored clothing and match. As you can see, it's in the tan tone, and it's like there's 4 of them here. So it makes it hard for me to match. For example, like with this purple top I'm wearing, it makes it hard to match with something like this. Plus, also, it's the size. As you can see, it's not very large at all. It's kind of like the width of my head, but it's not very large at all. So, you know, being a mom, we always have to have that mom purse, right? Okay, the next thing I'm getting rid of is I went through my gift wrapping stuff, and I will be getting rid of more probably, but for now, I pulled these out because these are those, you know, the plastic that you wrap baskets in. I'm getting rid of them because they're getting old. They've been around for a while. And you know, when they're around for a while, plastic tends to get kind of brittle and crack. And so it's kind of getting there. Plus it's been out for a while, and you know, for wrapping food and things like that, um, you know, I just don't feel right with it, like dust getting on the stuff, on gifts and food. So I'm getting rid of that. Of course, I have a second roll, which is exactly the same thing, and I don't know why I bought that. This was in my days of not knowing what I had, so I probably bought a second one. Okay, then I raided my youngest daughter's closet, and I found a few items that I can get rid of. So these oshkosh pants, she's outgrown them. Um, my girls never really liked them in the first place because of the material. They like the more like yoga pants and stretchy stuff. But they are nice. They keep you cool, and they are like a nicer dressier option in case you're going out. So that's why I bought them. So I'm gonna donate that. Then this one is the pink to it, and this is in really good shape. So I might just sell this on Garage Sale. I don't know if you guys have heard of Garage Sale, but it's an app where you can sell things and it's based on your community. So either that or Kijiji or something. So I'll take a look and sell it on there. This ice cream shirt. So both my daughters wore these, and this is a really pretty shirt from Joe Fresh, but she's outgrown it, so it's time to pass it on to someone else. Okay, and then also this shirt, which was a hand-me-down from my aunt, but it does not fit my daughter anymore. She's, I think last year it was getting tight, so I pulled that out of her closet. Also too, then I also found this. The tags haven't even been off, okay? So my older daughter, this is the story behind this. My older daughter has one like this as well. So now that one, the bigger size, fits my younger daughter. But what I had done is, because I liked it, I thought it was so cute. It's like a crop sweater, and I had bought it when my older daughter was taking ballet a few years back. And then I bought the smaller size for my younger daughter because I felt that it looked really cute, and I thought, you know, they could wear it on dresses and stuff like that. Well, she never really wore it, and as you can see, the tag is still on. It was like $12.95 from H&M, but she's outgrown it, so I might sell this as well on Garage Sale. Okay, now I also went through some of their books and stuff, some of their like workbooks, and I found these flashcards. So the box is torn, but the cards are in really good shape, and it was really good because I remember using these with my kids to you know, teach them words and just sight words and how to spell the words and things like that. But my youngest is now beyond this, so I am going to be donating it to someone, to the Value Village. So, you know, I'm sure there are a lot of little kids out there who could use that. Okay, then I'm getting rid of this. This was given to, I think, my youngest or my son, I can't remember, but it's funny faces, but they're all monsters, and so my daughter doesn't want that. So a Scooby-Doo coloring book, which was never used at all. It has crosswords and things like that, but they don't use it. So I am getting rid of that. And they have other, as you saw at the beginning of the video, they have other coloring books that they can use. Okay, then from the dollar store, these are actually pretty good. These were Marvel coloring books, activity books, so they have join the dots and things like that, and they have stickers in the front. It's a really nice book for I think it was $1. Yeah, it was $1. So really nice, like Avengers, Marvel activity book. Then I have also a second one here. Okay, same idea, same thing. I bought that for my son, and actually he had a birthday party one time, once, a superhero birthday party, and I had bought these to go into the loot bags, and then what was left over, you know, he used them, and then we've just kind of been using them over the years, but my son has since long passed that, so I've been giving them away as gifts, but I think it's time to let them go now. All the kids are getting older in the family and don't really have need for them anymore. Okay, this is a Justice League coloring book. My son was never really into coloring other people's work in a coloring book. He's more into drawing and coloring it himself, like his own creations. So I'm getting rid of this. Okay guys, that's it. That is the stuff that I'm getting rid of, the stuff that I'm decluttering. I want to thank Rachel for putting on this challenge and allowing us all to participate. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. On my channel, I do a lot of decluttering, a lot of organizing, routine videos, recipes, and DIYs, mostly for the home, but some for lifestyle and for kids. So I hope you'll subscribe and stay a little while, and I'll see you in the next video if you do. Bye.